Good evening, guys. Welcome back with the additional of today's newspaper on Monday. Yes, it's the Monday, January the 20th, 2025. We have here 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 stars Sudoku. We have 2 jigsaw Sudokus, one with 4 stars, one with 1 star. In Dutch, they call it Cyber Block. In Japanese, Suguru. And the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. And these puzzles, I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve this evening. Not all. Why not? Well, it's too much for me. Time consuming. And I need the same time for uploading it to a YouTube. Yeah. Otherwise, it will be a day job for me. And besides, this afternoon I've already solved 3 regular puzzles, so that's a lot. 7 puzzle on a day. So let's get started with this one, the 3 stars Sudoku number 9940. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 27 printed digits. Usually the 3 stars has 25. This one has 27, 2 digits more. Should be a 1 star. For 1 star puzzle, I need to be faster than 15 minutes. Well, it's indicated by the publisher with the 3 stars. For a 3 stars puzzle, 20 to 30 minutes. Question is this a 3 stars or 1 star puzzle? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. Let me see which number I can pick. How about the 2 in this column, 2 in the last column, so the column 3. The only place level 2 should be there. 2, okay. Need a 2 here. Need a 2 there. Cannot continue with the 2 now. I need to wait. How about? Yeah. Need a 9 here. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 in these 2 boxes. So the 4 in this big square could be here or there. Here or there, we see another 4 in this row. No 4 there, 4 should be there. 4 in the last row, 4 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4 in the last column, 4 in that column, so the column 3, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there, 4 should be there. 4. Well, need a 4 there, okay. In this big square, we need a 4. We have a 4 in the first column, no 4 in these 2 boxes. We have a 4 in this second row, no 4 in those 2 boxes. So the 4 in this big square could be here, could be there. 4 in one of those 2 boxes in the third row, 4 in the second row. So the first row, the only 3 places left for the 4 should be here, or there. We have 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 in the middle column, no 4 there. The only place left for the 4 should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in the last row, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 5 in the last row, 5 in the row above, so that row, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 2 missing numbers now in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing, the 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. Then let me see. How about need an 8 here. 8 in this row, 8 in one of those 2 boxes in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. Then let's see. Let me see, 7. 7. 7. Well. 1. 3. Come on. 6. 5. Okay, and here I need a 5 there. Need a 5 here. 5 in this row, 5 in that row, so the row between the middle row, only 2 places left, 5 should be here. Or there we have 5 in this column, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 5, 5, 5, okay, 5, 5. 1, 3, 8, 1, 3, 3. Yeah, 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and the 8 is missing. 1, 3, 8. 1, 3, 8, 1, 3, 8, 1, 3, 8. And look, we have 3 and 8 in this column. So no 3 and 8 in this box. 3 and the 8 goes in those two boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 1. 2 need a 6. 2 and a 6. Wow. Wow. Thinking. Come on. This is taking too long. 7. Need a 7 here or there. Come on, 8. Need an 8 here. 8. Need an 8 here. Need a 3 here or there. Yeah, I'm stuck here. 3, 8, 1, and the 6. 4 missing numbers in this row, the middle row. Those missing numbers are 1 is missing, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing, the 7 and the 8 is missing. 1, 3, 6, 8. 1, 3, 6, 8. 1, 3, 6, 8. 1, 3, 6, 8. 1, 3, 6, 8. And look, we have 3, the 6, and the 8 in this column. So 1 digit left should be the 1. Okay, so the 3, 8, and the 6 are left. 3, 8, and the 6, okay. But we have a 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row, so the row below, the only 2 places left, the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there, 1 should be there. Then 2, 2. Need an 8 here. 3, need a 3, need a 3 here. 3 in this column, 3 in one of those two boxes in that column. So the column 3 now only 2 places left, 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in this one, no 3 there, 3 should be there. And then 2 missing numbers in this row. For numbers, the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 1 and 9, 1 and 9. We have 1 in the second column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and 9 goes and there. 1. Need a 9 here. Yeah, 9 in this row, 9 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left, 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 2 and 6. 2 missing numbers in this big square. For numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. 2 and 6, 2 and 6. We have 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 1 box left now in this column. For number, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this column. For numbers, 1 is missing, and 2 is missing. 1, 2, 1, 2. We have 2 in this row. First row, no 2 there. 2 should be here. No 1 goes there. 2, we have a pair. The 2 and the 4 in the first row. The 2 and the 4 in the second row. So in the third row. Only 2 places left. The 2 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. We have a 2 in the third column. No 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 4 in this column, third column, 4 in the first column. So in the column between the second column, the only place left the 4 should be there. 1 box left now in the second column for number, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 1 box left in the last row for number, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. 2 missing numbers now in this big square. For numbers, the 1 is missing, the 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and a 3. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those. So we have a 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row, so the row below, the only 2 places left. 2 should be here or there. We have 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be there. Then, let's see, 5. These 3 missing numbers in this big square are numbers the 1 and 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing, the 6, the 7, and the 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 5, 8, 9, 5, 8, 9, 5, 8, 9, 5, 8, 9. No, cannot fill this yet. 1, 1, 6, 6. Yeah. 3, 8, and 7. Yeah, I need a 7 in this row. Well, here give me 7, we have 7 in this column, no 7 there. Here give me 7, we have 7 in this column, no 7 there. The only place level 7 should be there. So 3 and 8 are left. Cannot fill this yet. So we have a 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 place level 7 should be here. Or there, we have 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here. Then these 3 missing numbers, 1, 2, 3 is missing, the 4, need a 6 here. 4, 5, yeah, need a 6. How about here? 8, need an 8 here. 8. 3. Well. 3, 6, and 8. 1. I need a 1 in this big square. We have 1 in the first row, so no 1 there. So the 1 could be here, could be there. So we have a 1 in the first row, 1 in one of those 2 boxes in the second row. So in the third row, there are only 3 places left for the 1 should be here, or there. We have a 1 in the last column, no 1 there. 1 in that column, no 1 there. The only place left for the 1 should be there. I need a 3 here. And I need a 5. 5 here. Or there. And I need a 9. Could be here. Could be there. Well. I need a 6 here. I need a 6. What's happening? Come on. 3. This is taking too long. 3. How about the 5? 1 is missing in this big square. The 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. So the 5 could be here, could be there. The 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing here. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 9 should be there. And I've eliminated here the 1, so the 1 goes there. And I've eliminated here the 5, so the 5 goes there. Okay. 5, 8, 9. 5, 8, 9, no. How about 8 and the 5? 2 missing numbers in the second row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 8 goes at there. And we have a pair, I believe. The 8 and the 6 in the third row. The 8 and the 6 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the... Oh, no. We already have an 8 here. Wait. Need a 6 here. 2 missing numbers in this column. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. The 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 6 and a 9, 6 and a 9. Cannot fill this yet. Yeah. 2 numbers left. The 8 and the 9. We have an 8 in this row. No 8 there. 8 should be here. 9 goes there. Okay, so we have a pair now. 6 and a 9 in the third row. 6 and a 9 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 6 and 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 6 and 9, 6 and 9. We have a 9 in the last column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, 6 goes there. So 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 3 and 5, 3 and 5. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 3 goes there. 6 or 9, we have a 9 now, so this box should be a 6. 6 and an 8, we have a 6 in the last column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and 8 goes there. 1 box left in the last column for number the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing, 9 is missing, 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have 9 in this middle row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, 8 goes there. 3 and 8. We have 8 in the middle row. No 8 there. 8 should be here. 3 goes there. 3 in this row. 3 in the middle row. So the row below the only place level 3 should be there. 1 and a 3. We have 3 in the third column. No 3 there. 3 should be here. And a 1 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers the 1 and 2. The 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, 7 and 8 is missing, 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have 8 in the middle row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Finish in 15 minutes. Well, not faster than 15. Not please, not please. Let me give this a 2 stars. But we solved again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the other 3 puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.